Okay guys, so there's a lady, she rode up the elevator with me. She's so drunk. It's actually sad. I've been that drunk before, but that's why I don't drink no more. She was trying to hold the key up to the little sensor to come up the elevator. She was holding it all to the wrong place. She was missing the button. And in the MGM, it's kind of like a maze upstairs. It's like a big old star of hallways. And I don't think she knows where to go. Ooh, I don't know where to go. I don't think she knows where to go. So she looked like she knew where she was going, and she kind of went a certain way. I went upstairs, checked in, went upstairs, did my room tour and everything. And just now, she's still wandering around the star, the little hallway. I'm like, oh shit, wait, which way am I going? I'm like, oh man. I wish I could help her, but I've tried to help people like that before, and just because I'm talking to them, they're still not going to know where to go. They're still not going to know where they're supposed to be, you know, the room number and stuff. So, and she was kind of rude at the same time. Like, don't be that drunk, lost, and rude, okay? Okay. So yeah, I just had to tell you guys that. Only in Vegas. I'm always seeing some drunk people on the elevator. Okay, we're here. Oh, should I get some pizza? I'm damn near ready to go get some pizza. Okay. Yep. All right, so you guys know, if you don't know, Pizzology is right next door to Fat Tuesdays, and I could not help it. It smells so good that I'm here. Hi. It's my first time here, but I think I want a thin crust. Yeah. Both. I don't know. Yeah, I want the garlic, yeah. Just tell me what my options are. Could you put it all over? Okay. I just seen him do it. Marinara. Mozzarella. Parmesan. That's good. Okay. Yeah, I want mushrooms, spinach, spinach, artichoke, and banana peppers. And spinach. Yeah. Okay. So this is where we're at with it. We've got the Pizzology. We've got the Fat Tuesday, pina colada with strawberry. Move this. Vegetarian, of course. If you know, you know. Okay, it's my first time trying it. Let me put the hair back. Let me get a small piece. There's a small one. That's bomb. My husband is down in the casino with his cousins. Like I said, they're staying here too. I don't know if I said that on this video or the last video, but whatever. And one of my good friends is on her way over here so we can chill and see what we're gonna get into for the rest of the night. If you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so I met my friend down here and she is getting
I'm so damn, I should have brought my gun.
a salsa margarita for the road. It is a weekday and the MGM is pretty dry. You know, like there's no bars open or anything. There is kind of a lot of people gambling, but it's not, I don't know. We're going to the Cosmo. So yeah, we're at the Cosmo at their little bar. And you don't have to have reservations, so we're just waiting. There's a line. So yeah, guys, what's going on is they got the little bar, and she doesn't want to let us in.
Like, it don't matter.
Literally,
Right
like
there.
she said, the lady literally said, "I'm doing you guys a favor because you don't have reservations." But no one in this line does, and the people in front of us didn't either. So at this point, it's kind of just, so yeah, now the people in front of us had a drink in their hand. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
And they came in with a beer, but she told me that I couldn't come in with my Red Bull. Yeah. So that's where we're at with it.
And this should be available.
Oh, she was so mad. She thought if she treated us bad, we were just gonna leave. But no, fuck that. I'm staying.
I just be coming. I don't be out here as often as you and Tim. But like when I do come out here on the fluke, I see the same thing all day. And then when my coworker tell me her stories and stuff like that, I'm like, yeah.
Thank you.
I like.
Basically, we're people watching. I mean, it is a Tuesday. Watching Flock in the Hose. No, but for real, we're in the Cosmo. And we've been seeing a lot of ladies of the night. Is that what we're going to call it?
Lady of Leisure.
Ladies of Leisure. Walking around there, literally just circling around, looking around.
In sandals at that.
In sandals, right. But I guess, you know, when you're in Vegas, you get me a lot of little sandals.
I don't think I could have did sandals. I would have did wedges.
The ladies of leisure is out tonight.
Full in effect.
In full effect, yes. Yeah, I didn't know I was going to be out this late either. It's about 2 a.m. And me and my girl is out here. Woo. Right, going back to... What did he say, Jovina?
I don't goddamn care.
Well, excuse the fuck out of me, okay? What did
Oh, do we go through here, go there?
Yeah, that's how we got
Okay,
here.
so we jump on the casino.
Yeah.
Is this a popular tattoo shop for you?
Yeah, I think so.
Do they got a TV shop?
What is it called?
Body piercing.
I don't think
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. You know, I'm not into tattoos like that. So I don't know. Oh my God, I'm about to kill myself.
So I don't have
Well, this one's still open. They still open. That's what I'm talking about. You guys,
I feel like it's hungry.
it's getting cold out
Why
here.
this piece of shit ain't open? Hella.
Okay.
Oh, I need some
24 hours. Which one you going to?
fries.
Taco Poppy?
Yeah.
Yes. Whew. And it is
Good morning, guys. It is the next day, obviously, and I am getting ready to check out MGM's pool. See what it's looking like. If you guys. Unfortunately, it's a really ugly day, but I mean, I can't control the weather. I still want to go see what the pool's looking like since the hotels finally opened up their pools. Okay, so hopefully you guys can hear me okay. YouTube decided to hate on me and get me for a copyright claim due to the music the hotel was playing. So I'm doing a voiceover. Right now we're passing up the food court and a bunch of really cute shops in the MGM. Now I've never seen this section of the MGM, so that was the reason why I wanted to film it for you guys. We're on our way to Wet Republic Pool. Check that out, guys. It's the Hunger Games exhibit. I can't wait to do that. I'm definitely doing that this summer. I'm a big fan of Hunger Games. Okay, you see we've got Quicksilver over there. This is a wedding chapel. So, you know, if you want to get married in Vegas at the MGM, they definitely got the wedding chapel. I thought it was really cute, this little store. It's got all of the TV networks. You want to go get a little bit of merch, you can go check in over there. And then they've got the big like little CW Showtime studio going on here. I don't know exactly what they do there. You'd have to look that up, but I'm definitely...
It's really nice down here. As you guys know, I'm not a huge gambler, so stuff like this excites me. Alright, now let's go to the pool. We made it, guys. It's a tiny bit chilly. Where's the, oh, is this the entrance?
Yes.
Okay.
You have a room key with you? I just need to scan it.
Yep.
There you go.
Thank you. You too. Just take one?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Whew. Let's go. Okay. All right, guys. We made it. It's cold as hell out here, but we made it. Now, they're like lazy river section and all that is not open yet, but I mean, this is nice. If the weather was better, I'd be going to pick up my kids. So nice. Okay, it's not bad. Ooh.
You know, I feel like Thor right now.
It's not that bad, guys. I can't be swimming and shit, but it's not that bad. So I'm just chilling poolside. If it was a weekend, I might have had a drink. They said that the pool is 75 to 80 degrees, and that once you get your whole body in, it's not bad at all. But for me, it's just the toes. Okay, so yes, Vegas pools are open. You do have to wear a mask, except for when you're swimming, so it is what it is. It's really chill in here. I like the music. I like the atmosphere. Right behind me is the hot tub, but it's closed. See that? That would have been perfect. Today, a day like this, it would have been perfect. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna chill here for a minute, drink my Gatorade while my husband sits at the craps table. Now that poor baby, she hate her job. Look at her. That's how I would have been out here, I ain't gonna lie. I'm very over dramatic like that, and if my job had me out here at a pool when it's chilly, I'd be just like her. For breakfast, we're at Mama's Kitchen. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy. Y'all need anything?
You getting hot sauce, right?
You want some hot sauce?
All right. So we wanted to try the lobster mac and cheese, so we just got that to share. How was it?
Good.
It's a fried lobster mac and cheese, so I don't know, guys.